with the termites. 2 years ago, I was in Borneo photographing bats that live in pitcher plants. Pitcher plants traditionally are famous for eating whatever comes inside.
Hi, I'm Bucko Crooks. Bucko Crooks. Bucko Crooks. Hello, I'm Bucko Crooks. And this is Miller Park here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This is Milwaukee. And this is Milwaukee. And this is the green field selling tobacco. And this is Golden the Fridge. What's happening upstairs at Golden the Fridge, you might ask? Well, tape dubbing. An amplifier with the loopless cassette.
What the fuck is up? 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 What the fuck is up?
Pottery making. What's the name of your band?
Applesauce Boutique.
The recording.
I can just turn it off too. Yeah. Could you hear me okay though? Yeah, I can hear you pretty well. Well,
You know, there's a lot of jewels here.
Golden Fridge.
We're at Golden the Fridge. A workspace for everybody.